guys and welcome back to my channel. As I uploaded the trailer before in short video, we are going to be, this is the start of the whole investigation. We here have a cameraman August here, whose only face will be revealed at 100 subs. So if you want to see his face, then we will reveal it on 100 subs. Now every day will be one season and we'll upload how many of episodes we can do in one day. So let us go and test it. Agastya, say hello.
Hello.
Use a normal voice.
Hello.
So here Agastya is speaking. If you really want to see his face, then we'll go and reveal it at 100 subs. So this is one of the spooky spots. Just like turn around and you can just turn around and show them. So guys, if you notice anything for something that we didn't notice, please let us know in the comment section. During editing, if we notice anything, we'll be circling it like this. Okay. So come on, let us continue.
Hey Tanish. Play.
So guys, right now we were off camera. We were deciding to reach the location, which was like just a few steps away. I didn't tell Agastya that time, but I noticed something right over there. Come on, I'll show you. See. There's that Bori. See that thing.
Yes, we can notice
Look,
it.
you can see it in the camera. My finger's pointing. You see that thing?
Yes.
That thing. I noticed something over it moving. So let us just once continue. If you guys, Agastya, just show them once again, so in case they can see anything. Okay, come on, nothing's there. Let us now show them around another one of the spooky locations. So this is one of the other spooky locations. Agastya, so show them around, please. Oh, Agastya, something was there. Something's there. Come on, run. Something was falling. See, something's falling.
Where?
Something fell here, see. See, you can, if you guys can see all this white.
It is right.
Okay, what, I just noticed that. So that's why. But where did it come from? Okay, whatever, we live in the society, so let it be. So let us continue.
Please don't make run here.
Yeah. So then we just want to show this to you. Here there's like a scratch mark over here on this car. Two scratch marks. We think it is by Mr. Cat Augustus, which we have named after this guy. Augustya. The Cat Augustus. So let us go ahead. We'll show you what had happened in the last video. So from my house up there in my room, we were putting a stamp down to see for some experiment. So here Agastya was standing right over here and I was standing right over here like this. Okay, so after that Agastya was picking up the stamp and I noticed was picking up the stamp. Okay, so the thread stretched behind him, so I also started to pick. I came this side and Agastya, he went that side. Go there. He went that side. If you want something like this, and we saw something there. And oh look, two of our new friends came. One is, we won't reveal his name. His name will be revealed only at 150 subs. So we call him Naruto Uzumaki for now. And this is his younger brother.
Or we can call him Naruto Madmaki.
He is Naruto Madmaki. He is Naruto Uzumaki. Good name, yeah. Both of the names will be revealed at 150 subs. So now since we have explored Tazeta, we'll be exploring one of the extremely haunted locations, Peony. So please stay tuned for the Peony episode. And now closing in with this episode.